Hey guys, I am back again with another video, and today I'm gonna show you guys what's on my product shelf. Someone actually commented and asked if I could do a video on my products, so I'm actually gonna do this video in like 2 or 3 parts, only because I have a lot of hair products and I high-key don't want this video to be too long, or any of the other videos after that to be too long. So I'm just going to show you guys what is on my first shelf of hair products. The very top shelf is really my Bath and Body Works sprays and lotions and stuff. So I'm not going to show you guys all of that, only because, you know, I just feel like y'all don't need to see it. But I'll show you guys what's on my top shelf. And as you can see, I got my hot head cap on. And I got a plastic cap on underneath. Oof. I got a plastic cap on underneath, and so what I'm doing right now is I just sprayed some water on my scalp and put some oil on it, and I'm just kind of, you know, trying to get the full effect, get some steam going, I guess. But I just felt like this was needed to get, you know, inside of my braids instead of just like the parts. So I put a good amount of oil, not to do like the hot oil treatment or nothing, but I'm really just trying to get everything steamed and moisturized. But I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna get into this video. So as you guys can see, I got my little Cantu shea butter corner over here. And I know a lot of people got issues with Cantu or whatever, but I don't. So I have a couple of hair products here. Some of them I don't really use all that much, which is why some of them still look full. I really only use the coconut curling cream, the avocado curling cream, and the mask, and obviously the Shine and Hold mist. I used this as well, which is the styling, the edge control. I use that too, but it has been a while since I used this actually, and I can't even remember what style I used it for real. But you already know how I feel about my coconut curling cream. I'm obsessed, and I still do have to get more. I haven't even gone shopping for hair products yet, so I have that. I have the avocado hydrating gel. And I think I used this for a wash and go at some point, and I haven't done a wash and go in forever, so this is just here. Thing is about gel right now is, first of all, I don't even use Eco Styling gel anymore. That's just, it's not my thing. So this right here is not that bad. It's not as like defining as Eco Styling gel is, but if I mix it with like the coconut curling cream, like my wash and goes really do come out bomb. I have the avocado hydrating leave-in conditioner. I think I already mentioned how I feel about cream leave-in conditioners. Me getting this was actually an accident. Now let me tell y'all why. See, and it's still full, because I don't like cream leave-in conditioners. I actually do want to give that away. I just really hate leave-in conditioners, and I got that by accident because I really thought it was the avocado curling cream, which I did end up getting the curling cream, which is at the bottom, and I've actually used that like a lot. I also have the grapeseed straightening treatment mask, and this actually does smell like freaking grapes, y'all. Like, this is actually like halfway done, so really I'll probably use it the next time I need to do a deep treatment or something. But yeah, that's just that, and it really does smell like grapes. It's actually a strong smell of grapes. And then I have my coconut oil shine and hold mist. Y'all already know this is a staple, which I need to re-up on because this thing is almost done, which I'm so mad about, but that's how you know, like, I really love it. Then I have the avocado hydrating curl activator. Like I told y'all, I don't really use like curling products or anything because my hair is always in like a protective style, so I haven't really been able to use much of these products unless, you know, my hair is out in some other, you know, protective style, which is probably like twist or something. Then I feel like I'd probably use that, like chunky twist, that'll end up being in a twist out at some point, or a braid out even. So those are all of my Cantu hair products. Now over here I have my curls collection, and this is the cashmere and caviar line. This line, I've done a video on it before, and it hasn't really worked for me all that much. I'm really still only using it just to use it because it did cost a pretty penny, but it hasn't really worked for me all that much. I do my aunt's hair, and I use this stuff in my aunt's hair because it works really well for my aunt. Like, it gets her hair like freaking amazing when I do wash days for her and treatments for her. Now this hair mask, I actually really like this hair mask because it has a lot of slip, and as you can see, that thing, it really is almost done. I think I'm gonna have to like pair it up with another mask or something and just finish that up and put some oil to mix it up and like dilute it up a little bit. But this is actually like, I think it was pretty thick, so it's actually a really good hair mask. I can't even complain about that. And so I have the hair serum. The hair serum, it's alright too, I guess. Obviously serums are more like, I guess, oils, but not really oils, but it's whatever. This is the hair gel, I guess. Don't really like this that much. It doesn't have that much hold, but I think once we finally get my aunt's ends off, because she's been permed or whatever for a hot minute, and she's, you know, growing her hair out instead of just big chopping it all at once. She's growing her hair out. So once we get those ends off and her curls are just popping, I think I might use this on her hair for her hair type, which I feel like that's why this brand is better for her hair and not mine. Then there's the hair bath. The hair bath, I think it's the shampoo. The hair bath is the shampoo. It's a black colored shampoo, which is really, it's nice. I can't complain about it. And then I have the hair silk. The hair silk, which I believe was the conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner, actually. So yeah, it's a leave-in conditioner. So this is actually it was alright too. Like I said, like, I have a video on these products and I can't even really much say anything about it right now, for real, only because it really hasn't worked for me all that well. So still in the curls collection, this is the green collection, and this is the bamboo protein treatment. I haven't used this yet because I'm still not sure how to use it for real. It said that it gently cleanses your scalp and conditions hair. Apply it to damp hair. Allow to air dry. Follow up with favorite curl styler. So, you know, with this product saying that, I'm not sure if this treatment is meant to be left in or what. Like, if anyone knows, please tell me, like, do you wash this product out or do you leave it in? Because it says it's a treatment, and I feel like treatments are usually meant to be washed out. But that's why it's full. I haven't used it yet. And then There's the rice water and coconut fruit refresher. Um, Refreshers are, I guess, okay. I guess they could be used as a leave-in or something, but it's a refresher, so it's not really meant to do much. It's just meant to, I guess, liven up your hair a little bit, but I guess it's okay. The smell to me, I didn't know how to feel about it for real, but it is halfway done, which, it's not that bad. But I think I probably used this stuff when I ran out of my Cantu Shine and Hold Mist. This side over here, you already know how I feel about Aftergy, because Aftergy is just bomb as hell. I actually need to restock because I do need to do a protein treatment, and I just don't have the actual treatment anymore, or the balancing moisturizer. Well, actually, I do have the balancing moisturizer. It's right here in front of my face like an idiot. But I don't have the actual treatment anymore, so I need to get that, and just everything else that comes with Aftergy. So, I've used this Pro Vitamin leave-in conditioner for a really long time, which I love when I feel like I need some, some protein or something. Like, I just spray it in my hair whenever. I know y'all can hear that damn freaking garbage truck outside, but whatever. But I used the leave-in conditioner, and it has done me so well. Like, I don't regret using this at all. Like, if I feel like my hair needs a little more of something, like, I'm gonna use this. And it says it smooths and detangles, improves body and shine, and protects against heat. And that's exactly what I feel like it does. And I also use this when I'm straightening my hair, just to give it a little more protection. And then there's the Balancing Moisturizer, which y'all know actually comes after. It's the step that comes after you use the actual protein treatment for Aftergy. And I absolutely love this stuff. Because, protein is really, like, I feel like it makes your hair harder than it actually should be. But, yeah, that's it for my Aftergy products. So, I have quite a few Mayo products and Talia with Jade. I think this is my only Talia with Jade hair product right now, only because I finished the Detox shampoo, which is my ultimate favorite shampoo, like, ever. And I just love it so much. Like, I'm in love with it. But this is the Repair and Restore mask. Hair and straightening treatment mask. It has shea butter, honey, and banana. This product actually smells like freaking bananas. It's actually it smells so good. It smells like bananas, like for real. It's also almost done, and it's pretty thick too, but it's almost done. And this, I'll probably use it some other time, like whenever I feel like I'm just staying home and actually gonna do like a crazy like treatment. Like, I feel like all of my products serve a purpose for how I'm feeling and what I feel like my hair needs. So if I do something with like banana, I feel like that's like a little treatment, a little protein treatment or something. So if I feel like it's a protein kind of day, then I'll use this. Okay, so now to my Mayo hair products. I have this flexible hold edge gel. I used about that much, and I didn't really like the texture of this gel, but I also don't like what it does to my edges. Not that it damages it or anything, but there's not much hold. And it just feels cakey. So I haven't really, done a whole lot with this. I used this only because I ran out of my actual edge control that I use, and it just failed me. And then I have Mael's Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. Now, this product right here is thick. Okay? It's actually really, really thick. But I love it so much. Look, I got hair in it. Lord, excuse me, y'all. But this product is actually freaking amazing. Like, I'm in love with it. It's infused with biotin and it encourages growth. And I feel like that's what it does for me. If I do a treatment with this and I put some oil and I heat it up and I throw it in my hair for a deep condition, I already know my hair is about to be feeling luscious. But this product has never failed me one bit. And so my last product that's on this shelf is my Mael Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter. This product I actually really do like too, because it's a hair butter. It feels like a cream and not something that's like crazy thick. I got hair in here too, Lord. But I use a good amount of this, which I am happy about, and it does give me the you know, the feel that I need in my hair, like the moisture that I need for real. And I just love it. It's not too thick, like it's the right consistency for me. Alright guys, I am back and I showed you every product that is on that top shelf, which, like I said, everything serves a purpose. You already know I do hair, so even if I don't use it on myself, I use it on other people, and that's just it. That's what you do as a hairstylist, you know. So I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned for part 2, because I think I definitely have a lot more hair products on my second shelf than I do the first. So I will see you guys later, and thanks for watching.